welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. If you're new here, I provide honest reviews on skincare and makeup products, mostly from popular subscription boxes such as Ipsy, Boxycharm, including makeup from Sephora. If you're regular here, thank you for your support. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and providing my honest reviews on Ipsy's Glam Bag for the month of April. I know it's a few days late, definitely need to know what we received from Ipsy's Glam Bag for the month of April. If you're interested in signing up for Ipsy's Glam Bag, I have a link down below and it would definitely help me out a lot. First, some housekeeping. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. So here is Ipsy's Glam Bag that I have been provided. It seems rather light. I'm wondering if maybe they are really sending me bad products now. I'm not so sure. We'll find out in a few minutes. So here is the Glam Bag for April. Now, I am already loving this bag. I love the color scheme. It's very decorative. Now I'm going to pull out the insert for April. Here is the insert card. And it says the force of nature. It says, whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Now that is an amazing quote, an amazing phrase. Without confidence, we don't have that ability to go forward. Confidence is definitely a stepping stone to breaking out of our shell. Comment down below if you agree. So the 5 products that Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of April has provided me are Hey Honey Trick and Treat Watermelon Lip Balm with natural tint. The second item is the Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. The third item is the Milk Makeup Kush High Volume Mascara in a mini size. The fourth item is the Twisted Sister 30-second Curl Spray. And the last item is the Kokie Cosmetics Cover plus Conceal Beauty Sponge. So let's just dive right into this. Now I'm going to put my hand in here and pull out whatever comes out of the bag. Look what we got. This must be the Kokie Cosmetics Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge. Look at this. I love that it's in purple. Now, I looked up this item on Ipsy's website and it says that this makeup sponge blends liquid and cream formulas from blush foundation like a dream. That means no streaks or cakiness. And an interesting fact is that Kokie means elephant in Korean, which symbolizes boldness and beauty. And also another neat fact is that it's cruelty-free and is Leaping Bunny certified. Now I looked up what Leaping Bunny certified means and it says that since 1996, Leaping Bunny program operated by the Coalition for Consumer Information on Cosmetics in the US and Canada. It has been connecting compassionate consumers to cruelty-free companies under its corporate standard compassion for animals. So these companies pledged to end animal testing and at all stages of product development, in addition to recommitting on the program annually and being open to third-party audits. So that's really good that they do not allow animal testing on all of their products. So I'm not going to open up this product right now, but I'm already loving it. And we can never ever have enough beauty sponges. So let's go ahead and dig in and find our next item. It's the Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Now this says it's a deluxe sample, but it's pretty small size. And this product is a moisturizer. And I looked up on Ipsy's website and it says it's a night cream treatment that contains anti-aging retinol and nourishing plant oils. And again, with all Ipsy products, it's all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. So let's just use a little bit on our hand and see what the texture is like. It has a very citrusy scent, and it's also very lightweight. It blends and absorbs very easily onto my skin. And this is a night cream, so this definitely meets my criteria for a night cream. I don't really like night creams that are thick or very greasy or too much stuff in it. So this definitely meets my requirements for the perfect night cream. And again, it has such a very nice citrusy scent. So thumbs up on this one. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and find our third item in this bag. Oh, look what we have. So this is a Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray. Now this is the item that I had selected out of my choice. And that's one thing that I like about Ipsy, is that they do give you an option to choose one of your products, and this was my choice for April. So now I looked up this product online on Ipsy's website, and it says that this is a leave-in conditioner, and this also is a deluxe sample. Here's a closer look. Now what it does is a refresh and wake up your curls. It adds on tons of moisture and shine to your strands. And again, it's cruelty-free. And it says it has a yummy coconut scent, so I'm dying to check that one out. And one neat information on this product is that it's infused with healthy ingredients such as coconut, avocado, and almond oil. So let's just use a little bit on our hair. And I typically like to curl my hair every time I go out or even do these videos. So this is perfect to try out. I'm not sure if I like how this sprays out. It's like the spray is going everywhere. But it does definitely have that nice almond and coconut fragrance that it says it does. I'm going to try this end. So I'm going to check this out in a few hours and see if my curls stay. Okay, now let's find our fourth item in our bag. And this one is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Watermelon Lip Balm with Natural Tint. So this is a lip balm, and according to Ipsy's website, it says that it's a super hydrating formula. It has a subtle pink tint and gives your lips a pretty natural looking glow. And it smells like a fresh watermelon smoothie. So let's just try it out and see if we agree. Wow, it definitely does taste like a watermelon smoothie. It almost tastes like a cold watermelon ice cream. A closer look of the product. And again, it comes in a really cute small size that you can just easily put into your purse. So guys, let's find out what's the last item in our bag. So this is the Milk Makeup Kush High Volume Mascara in a mini size. Here's a closer look. Now, I have been receiving a lot of these products from this brand, and I am loving it. And again, I do love that it is in mini size. I can always touch up my mascara anytime I need to. And I looked up this item on Ipsy's website, and it says that it's infused with hemp-derived cannabis oil to make your lashes look long and lush, and heart-shaped fibers that lock onto lashes to add major volume and lift. So I'm already loving it. It has the hemp oil in this product. So let's just try this out and see if we like it. Now, it says that it does have heart-shaped fibers that lock onto lashes to add major volume. I don't know if you can see that, but but I do like that these bristles are really big. So I'm going to use my mirror and try this product on right now. Wow, I can already see some instant volume. Looks really good. I think this is going to be one of my favorite products. So those are 5 of my items from Ipsy's Glam Bag for the month of April. And you know what? I do like some products in the bag, but you know, I think Ipsy was definitely holding out on me last month. Probably, I wonder maybe because I haven't been putting in much money on Ipsy lately, but I think this bag was a total bust. But I did have to pick a couple items in the bag that I did like. I would say I definitely liked the Milk Mascara, and I also like the Twisted Sister Leave-In Conditioner. Other than that, I think Ipsy could have done much better for April in my bag. Comment down below and let me know if you agree. Please support my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And please check out my playlist for Ipsy's Glam Bag unboxing and try on. See you in your next video. Bye!